Hey guys, and welcome back to another Freshen Up Friday. I have my list here ready to go of a couple of things that I need to get done around the house. So give this video a big thumbs up if it motivates you to get a couple of cleaning things done around the house, or maybe a few things that you've been putting off. And don't forget to subscribe for more cleaning content like this. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. First on my list was cleaning up the lounge area. So this was already generally tidy. I just wanted to give it a quick dust and wipe down. So I went in with the Pledge Fluffy Duster, and also I spot cleaned areas with the blue Spontex cloth from the kitchen kit, and also my washing up liquid and water mix. And then for the glass gold container that you can see on the bigger round table, I used, you guys know I love using the elbow grease window cleaner, and I've really been enjoying using that with the green minky cloth. I just find it works better and doesn't drag any dust with it. Next up, it was time to give the sofa the once over. So I like to do this, I would say every 3 weeks. I just give it a quick deep clean. So the way I do this is I remove all the cushions one by one, and I just go around using my 2 Dyson attachments to really just hoover up any crumbs and things like that. This works a treat, this attachment I've got on the Dyson now. I believe it does come with the one I have, which is the V6. Then finally, every time I deep clean the sofa, I like to give it a spray with the Fabulosa foam freshener, and I love using the Gold Touch one. It just really freshens up the fabric on the sofa. You can use it on any fabric and the carpet. Next on my list in the dressing room, I just wanted to clean up my vanity, so I took everything off and gave it a lovely deep clean. This area can get really messy really quickly just because I'm doing my makeup every day on here. I do have this bag I have shown you guys, I think, over on Instagram, this like makeup bag that flattens out, and I use that to protect the table, but there's still bits of dust from bronzer and eyeshadows that gets everywhere, so once in a while it's good to give it a good deep clean. I do wipe it down every week, but I love to take everything off as well. The large mirror that I have on my vanity, you'll see it now. So this I shared a couple of weeks back in my what's new in our house home decor wise. I absolutely love this mirror. It's definitely larger than a normal size vanity mirror, and I think that's why I love it. It's just so much easier to see what you're doing in the morning when you're putting your makeup on. So I will have the link to it down below. They also do a rectangle shaped mirror as well. It's a slightly different design, but it's still all in silver. Okay, moving on to the hallway. I just hoovered all of the stairs. Oh, there's a Sully. He kind of likes the hoover, but he's not sure. Sometimes he gets really up close to it, and other times he just doesn't want to be near it. But anyway, I am hoovering all of the stairs and also the main entrance part of the hallway. This gets really dirty, and I'm sure you guys can relate when you're walking through this area each and every day, especially on a rainy day. It just gets a bit messy, so I do find that I have to hoover this part up a lot. You may have just seen Ben there as well. He was informing me that someone was coming to collect this unit. We actually sold this recently This was in our old under the stairs cupboard in our old house, and we just don't really need it or use it in this house. It's to put all your shoes in. It's from IKEA. It's served us well, but we're looking for something a little bit different, so we decided to sell it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found this helpful and motivating. As I said before, don't forget to subscribe for more cleaning content, and let me know in the comments down below if you have any video suggestions that you would like to see. And have a great start to your weekend, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care guys, bye.